Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing trades for September 9th. I did 2 stock trades today and I have 1 open swing, and then I did 3 trades on the future side that we will go through. So to start off with the market today, it was an inside day and not much happened. We'll start with the Nasdaq. You'll see it is consolidating here at the top. At one point it was looking like it wanted to go lower, but now it came back up, and now it's actually looking like it's higher tomorrow morning. You'll see here, you saw that it started coming down in the morning and then it's just kept going upwards. And this is the 5-minute, kind of really choppy. Don't know where it's up or down, up or down. So for my 2 trades today, I first did Roku long above 100. So my thought process was, I have seen that this stock multiple times has tried to get over this level, and then Roku had a big spike piercing this level and then coming back down into VWAP, forming kind of a buy setup area. So what I did was I got in right here with a stop right here, and it just crashed out and tagged me up -1 hour. Then I did Apple. On Apple, I had a lower bias today. It was considerably weaker than the market. It gapped down, came up, then came right back down, and compared to the market that gapped up and was consolidating above yesterday's junk. This one actually came down and started looking lower. And if you look on the daily, you also see that Apple was rounding right here. So in the morning when it was down here, I thought that this would be a good short. The reason was also this 5-minute consolidation right here with this topping tail at VWAP and the 5-minute 9 EMA. I got in right here, stop here. This trade went 1 hour before coming all the way up and taking me out for -1 hour, before then coming all the way back down and actually hitting my 4-hour target, which was down here. So this was also a stop out. All in all, -2R, which is also -$200. On the swing side, I have 1 open, which is Zoom. If we go back, I got in Zoom on this red day right here when it came back to this area that I now call support. It has kept going upwards today with a small topping tail. However, on the 65, you see that it is like grinding up slowly, so that is really good. Our target is still up here, the very, very top up here, and we'll see. I have entered, I'm waiting to enter a new trade, which is MDT. This trade right here, you see consolidation right here. I put my stop right down here, and the reason why I want to look at this trade is that I have monthly looking higher, so it's rounding, trying to keep going higher. And on the weekly, you see you have this consolidation right here above this level of above all these levels, so it has clear room to go higher. So that's why I'm looking at this higher right now. So on the future side, I've been using this platform to trade futures, which is a little bit more which is a little bit different. Today can't really see it here, but I ended the day up $900, and I did 3 trades. Can actually look at it better right here. So for futures, you trade the market and certain commodities like gold, silver, platinum, and so on. I traded gold today. I had a bearish bias, meaning I wanted to look at it short. This is because if you look on all the time frames, it's really extended. The monthly, it's up there. The weekly, also up, 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 up. And then the daily today came up, but it started showing weakness. You see on the 65 right here, it has been trending upwards. However, today it had this really big red bar taking out all the support area, taking out all the moving averages. So I did 2 trades on gold. The first trade was right here on this little wedge. My thought process was that it had taken out everything and come right back to the moving averages, forming a sort of a wedge. It is better looked at right here at this big yellow line, which is VWAP, which is an important area. So my thought process was I'll get in right here with a stop above this high, which would also be VWAP, and you have these 5-minute moving averages coming down, pressing down the price. So I got in right here and then I got out right here. And as it formed a pretty substantial new low, it then came up, multiple green bars up into a 15-minute 9 EMA and 15-minute 21 and VWAP, and started to form a consolidation looking to go lower. So here again, I saw kind of a wedge forming right here, and I decided to get in, and once again I had a stop above VWAP, above this high, which was also VWAP here, and I was aiming for this new low. Because the market closed right here, I got closed out here. I don't really know if I did something on purpose or if it was myself, but my actual target was down here, and it just closed out suddenly. But all in all, this was a plus 900 day. I did 1 trade that stopped out, and it was right here. As this is the market, this is the Nasdaq or the QQQs. As we said before, the market came down into this resistance area to the moving averages right down here on the 65-minute. Market came into these moving averages and then bounced. As the market retook VWAP, it started forming a consolidation right here. I got in when as the market kind of broke out here, thinking that it would use these moving averages as support to move higher. Once it formed a new low, I actually moved my stop right here, and it came up, actually made a new high, then it came all the way back down, took me out before actually going higher. My initial target was these highs right here, so I would have gotten my profit. When later it continued to go higher the rest of the day, and actually currently is up here. You can see, I think I mapped it out right here. The thing I was talking about. This is the feature on the future on the market. So it looks kind of the same, but a little bit different, but the same thing. As it retook this VWAP area, as it looked like it was going to break out, I got in right there with a stop initially down here, but as it took it out and respected this 5 and 9 EMA, I was like, okay, I can put my stop here. but it took me out, then went higher. So all in all, two bad trades on two bad stock trades that stopped out, and then two futures trades that worked together. That was a plus $700 day. However, I still have that swing trade open that got up a little bit. So those were my trades for today.